Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing some problems on square and square root topic. Here we are trying to find out the least number to be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of a number so obtained. Here are two numbers 1825 and 6412. These are not the perfect square, but what number should be added to this so that that will be a perfect square and find the square root of that. Okay, that is a very easy problem. So we proceed further. So we are trying to solve the problems on square root and squares where we are given a number and we have to cube a perfect square number lesser than this and greater than this. So we are given 1825 presently. Okay. Then we have to follow the same division method as we use to find the square root of any number. Okay. So we are following the same method and trying to find the number, given number. That means what is to be subtracted from 1825 to get a perfect square. So we are solving this. 1825 is taken. Now draw this horizontal line and vertical line. Okay. Then mark 25 and 18 from right hand side. Give this bar on 25, pair on digit and another digit pair. Okay. Now take 18. See the number which square is less than 18. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So if you take 4 square less than 18 and less than 5 square, okay, that situation you have to see. 4 square is less than 18 and select the lower one always. Okay, so you take 4 here, 4 square. So 4, so above 4 and 16, 4 into 4 is 16. Subtract this, you get 2. Okay, and bring the whole bar digit down, hold that whole block, and you get 225. Okay, now this 4 into 2 is 8, and now carry as we go for the square digit, same thing. 8 1 into 1 equal to 81. Now key remain, it will remain as it is, 2 into 2. See, this digit is same after 8 and multiplied by the same digit. Okay, the 82 into 2, 83 into 3, like that you have to go. Okay, just to understand it, I have given it in red. 83 into 3, carry out, that is 249. Yes, it is 249. Okay, 84 into 4, but you need not go ahead because we have already crossed 225. So take a lesser one. Okay, this is less, so take that. So 82 into 2 is 164. Okay, 164. Now subtract this number. What you get is 161. Yes, you get 61. Okay, now read this comment very carefully. Okay, you are getting plus 61. Remember that it is a plus 61, the above number is bigger. Okay, so as the remainder gives plus 61, what does that mean? That means so many, that is 61, are to be subtracted from 1825. They are positive. To get a perfect square, 61 is extra in that. You understanding the meaning of this? So subtract this from the original number 1825 and number you will get will be a perfect square. Okay, so 1825 minus 61, remember this. Okay, so we are carrying it out here. 1825 minus 61 is 4, then 6, 1764. Yes, and this is a perfect square. Perfect square of what? The answer 42, which we got. So root of 1764 is 42. Got it? Okay. So this is 42. See, it is here. See, got it? Yeah, that is the answer. We have to answer is actually 61. Okay. We are asked to find out how much you have to subtract and how much you have to add. Now we are carrying the same again for the higher number, which is perfect square. Okay, so 1825, same thing, bars. We have already done it. 4 square is 16. This is just for practice or just to understand it. Okay, so 4 square is less than 18, less than 5 square or 25. Okay, so we take 4 into 4 is 16, same thing. Till 225 is same thing. After that it changes. Okay, now see this. We will take 83 into 3 because we have to go above 225. Okay, this is this. Okay, see here I am bringing it here. We have already done it. We are just taking it. So that 249. Okay, it is more than or greater than 225. So 83 into 3 is 249. Very intelligent method. Okay, so subtract it. You are getting 24, I think. Yes, 24. But these are minus 24. Remember that 249 is more negative. Okay, minus 24. So when it is minus, you have to add this to the original number 1825, and the number resultant number which you get will be a perfect square. Okay, so got this. When you have to find a number, perfect square number greater than the given number, you have to go for the higher number. Okay, so we have to add 24 to the original number 1825. Okay, so just see when you have to subtract and when to add. Okay, 1825 plus 24 is 1849. Yes, it is 1849. That is a perfect square of 43, or root of 1849 is 43. Okay, so in such type of problem, just to see, this is 43. Okay, if you have to add or extra, then take a lesser number, or subtract, then go for the higher number. Have some practice and you will find it very easy. Okay, so see when you add and subtract carefully. Okay, go ahead. Earlier we have seen what number should be subtracted from a particular number so that that will be a perfect square. In this case, we are asked to find out what number should be added to this number. Okay, this case 6412, so that that will be a perfect square. In both the cases, we have to proceed in the similar manner, trying to find a square root by division method. Okay, so we are trying to find a square root of a 6412 by division method as follows. Okay, 6412, take this, then vertical horizontal line and vertical line, and then bar from right to left First 12 and then 64. Then try to find out a perfect square equal to or less than first bar number 64. 8 square is 64. Our job is easy because we are getting a perfect square. 9 square is 81. So very easy job. Take 8, selected 8, so 8 into 8 is 64. Okay, here 8, then answer is 8 and 64. You subtract it, you get 0 0. Okay, then we transfer the whole block, that in this case 12, whole block of the under that bar 12. Okay, this is your, then this is your procedure. Then multiply 8 by 2, you get 16. Okay, then go on the right hand side, see, take 16, take 1 into 1 is 161. If now in this case your job is over, at you are getting a number which is greater than 12. Okay, the number in line of 16. So our job is over. You have to find a number bigger than 12 because you have to add. Remember this. If you have enough practice, you need not remember it. You can do it on your own. Okay. So see this 12 minus 161 is bigger. So subtraction will be 149 and with a negative sign. Okay. This is very important. That negative sign is very important when we have to add it. Remember this. Okay. Now read the comment. We are in search of a number which is to be added. That means a negative number. Okay. Negative number which is to be added to the original number 6412. Okay. That means 6412 is falling short of 149. Remember that. That way it is negative. That is falling short of this. So we are adding that. As simple as that. To get a perfect square. Okay. In case of subtraction, that means that much is more that we are subtracting. Here in this case we are adding it. Okay. To find a perfect square. Okay. Hence 6412 plus 149. Okay. What is the number? 9 2 is 1 and then 4 is 6. 4 and 2 5 6, then 1 is 7 5, 6 4 is 5 and 6 5 6 1. 6 5 6 1 is the number. Okay, this is a perfect square or this has a square root. What is the answer of this? Okay, we have to answer two questions. What number should be added to 6412 is 149. Okay, and the new number so formed has a square root. Okay, and that is a perfect square. We will have a perfect square root also. What is that? That is 81. The answer, okay, is 6561 and square root of 6561 is 81. Okay, go ahead. Some more problems on your own. Still, if you face any difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I shall solve it. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. Thank you. Good luck.